Good morning.
Hey Dizzle, what's good, baby?
Good morning. Ooh, yeah. Fried pies.
Man, a little last leg fail on ES. Technically it hit the low.
Technically, it's fucking relatively equal lows.
Yeah, it's crazy for NFP. Just fucking leave them, sure.
Yeah, why not, dog?
Well, I had 5 hours of sleep last night, and I had a pretty terrible night. So if you want to lead this, that'd be much appreciated. I'm not even opening my live account, or I just have my
If I want
administrator
to
open for
leave
the
this
stream.
call.
No, lead.
Oh, I thought you was like, yo, I had a shitty night, so just get the fuck out of my face. That's hilarious.
Yeah, basically, I thought you got the hint.
Hey, man, that's crazy. Um, All right. So we had Wednesday, absolute fucking ripper NFT week. Monday, Tuesday failed to ripper. Wednesday,
Yep.
Wednesday would have been sick to hold on to that long.
Yeah, Wednesday would have been fucking
Imagine.
nasty.
Dude, I actually got a 1 to 87 yesterday.
1 to 87. Like, dude, that's possible in like our live broker account.
Right. If I didn't close anything,
Yeah.
disconnect the copy trader for a sec.
Crazy. I would have
Yeah, I
closed all
mean,
the prop accounts.
looking for these lows to get taken out. Would love to have SMT on the daily lows,
Mm.
and then just continue higher for um
April's high.
April's high. It's really what I got.
Well, we got a monthly close in now. What's the monthly look like? Oh, a little monthly IO Fed. And then we're just gonna tank.
Yeah, get the people thinking market's coming back. It's not.
It's not.
But absolute. I just need a significant run on some lows before I would like to do anything. I'm not going to open my live account either. I'm going to absolutely guarantee that I have a bullish week. Close
Yep.
on the positive.
Absolutely.
Um, I know Thursday, Friday of NFP week, odds go down that the market's going to be good. So we're already seeing that pre-market failed last leg. And I'm gonna take the hint, stay out. But yeah, like straight up consolidation, manipulation, distribution for this morning. When it moves that fast, it's usually going for something, and I like April's highs to be smoked.
Schmoky.
Yeah, great draw with the monthly fair value gap there. Pretty much all I
Little,
got there, feller.
little schmoky to bear.
Little Smoky the Bear piece.
Yeah, I'm watching that. I mean, do you think we poke our head above in reverse? Is that a possibility?
Yeah,
You can see that happening.
yeah. So if we leave the lows and we just go higher, tap IFED on the monthly, could be a great. I mean, just the inverse of the trade we took yesterday. And then yeah, literally just rip higher at 9:30, leave the lows, and then get everyone chasing because everyone that didn't get the move yesterday is FOMO. Markets are bullish, 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 and take out those lows and retrace back into some of yesterday's range because it is so unbalanced at the current moment.
Yeah. Take out the high, trade back into that 1 hour
Yeah.
Bissy.
Mm-hmm.
Little Biss boy.
You're gonna need a run on liquidity on either these highs or these lows because we are quite range bound before I would like to do anything.
For sure. I mean, if ES doesn't take him out pre 9:30, post 9:30. Oh,
I'd be
definitely.
sick, dude, if it left those lows.
Yep. Yeah, it'd be sweet. Sweep them, go up for the high, and then come all the way back down for that sweep. Crazy.
Yeah, so it's high probability NFP conditions today and tomorrow, which means typical setups fail. So that'd be textbook to see these lows be left. And then revisit them with the 950 macaroni and cheese.
Cool. The
It is.
macaroni and cheese.
Imagine, dude, 10 a.m. news again. Run higher. 10 a.m. start selling off. Exact same trade setup, just to the sell side. That'd be crazy.
If it leaves them, bro. Fuck. I might have to open up the chart again.
Yeah, if that happens, you might have the fucking.
I was already thinking about that at
Bro.
9, bro. I was what was it? The IO Fed at 8:59 on ES. I was like, bro, do I need to open up my charts again? Or am I live? It's the
You
last leg
stop
if
it,
I've ever
repeat
seen
it.
one. Oh yeah.
Yep.
It would have hit that swing low. It wouldn't have gotten me out because it wasn't a tick below it, and then reverse break even. Yeah.
This guy's two at 9:30 and 10 rings.
Yep. You got anything else?
That's it.
ISM 10.
We do have SMT on the highs. Dude, that setup to the lows is perfect. It just didn't deliver.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean technically it hit the low. So
Yeah.
that's the model there. Just has to get to the low.
Did the bare minimum.
Yep. Low hanging fruit. But all right, brother. Yeah, good luck and good trading.
Yeah, dog. You too.
Yep, we'll just be watching and fucking bulling.
All right. Have a good day. Bye.
Yep, peace, dog. Let's fucking ride, boys. That's crazy. Hmm.
Oh, I joined. I didn't think anyone was on. Just instantly left. What's up, dude?
Fucking late.
I know, dude. I know. I know. I
Nah,
have to
look
do
at
my
your ass
morning thing.
yawning.
Huh?
So look at your ass yawning.
Look, bro. I like higher. I like April highs.
Yep, April high, see ya. Wax.
Bro, 20K, dog. Just like that.
How you doing?
Yeah, we'll see, dude. I don't know what happens when we get up there, but
ES
you
look
trading
clean to the
today?
lows. Probably not.
Yeah, me too, probably. Yeah, yes, very clean to the lows. It didn't sweep it? Well,
No, I missed it by a tick. Well, I mean, it hit the low by a tick.
I woke up and saw a nice little 2022 model lower, but I don't know. I mean, what do we have news? We have news at 10 too.
Mm-hmm. Same as yesterday, but we're kind of consolidating all AM. So
Yeah. First day of the month.
mm-hmm. See the monthly candle, little IOFED, trade over April's high and just sell.
Dude, how wild would that be if ES never took April high? Like I'm looking at the monthly right now.
Yeah.
NASDAQ runs up, takes it, and we just fucking break back down.
Yeah, fuck it, dude. How many green days we have in a row? Including that doji technically on ES. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green days. Well,
Dude,
yellow
order flow
days.
is so fucking bullish, at least on this time frame. But yeah, I mean, once we get here, dude, I think sentiment's starting to flip back.
To bullish.
Seems that way.
Oh yeah, so guess what? That means we're gonna be tanking.
Maybe.
Yeah, I had 2 hours of sleep last night. Ain't no way I'm trading any of my accounts. No shot.
Dude, it's hard because for me to get real sleep, I need to be realistically asleep by when? Like, I mean, 2 hours is nuts. Let's just
10
throw that out
o'clock.
there. I can't. It's 10:30. I try
How
and
is
do
that not
10:30 to
realistic, bro?
10:30 to because I can't fall asleep at 10:30 every day.
Well, shit. If you get up at 6, I'd be falling asleep at 10:30 every day.
Yeah, I usually do. I'd say anywhere from 10 to 11 to anywhere from 5:30 to 6.
Hmm.
I could get up earlier, dude, but like it's the trade-off isn't worth it.
Do that. All right. So draw liquidity. You got April's high for today. What about your LLD? It could be near term or it could be long term.
Yeah, LD for bullishness is the new AUG we made this week because realistically that 4 hour below it is pretty balanced. A little range that we cut through. But
Yeah.
for bullishness, that's LD. For bearishness, probably this daily civvy above price right here. If we get up there, I think we're going for March 26th, which at from this weekend, it's like the up to 20-day high basically.
Yeah. When I do a draw in an LLD, if it's like clear like April's high right now, I don't have an LLD for the opposite side. So like that Sibby that you have on the daily, March 26th says LLD for downside.
Yeah.
When I have a target, it's just like there's no really stopping the price going the other way. I just see the target, that's it, and then it's the LLD if it's clear. Now, if you're trying to trade in that range, you don't really know where it's going, then it's cool to be like, yeah, this is the LLD, this is the whatever here. But yeah, I think the hour Bissy, 4 p.m. is near term LLD. It's a drop from all the way up there to drop back down to the breaker and then to go up. I think a lot of people are looking for that breaker to take higher.
And that's, yeah.
That's already a fucking parabolic move. So like the
good
maximum retracement that it should have on that before even taking out that high would be to
And
that
it's a
hour.
gap left after breaking structure on that, to your
Yep.
point.
We could take out April's high, and then that could be the target as well. Take out April's high, poke our head above, and maybe hit like 080, and then tank for that 1 hour Sibby. That's really what I want to see today. That'd be like perfect case scenario like yesterday.
Here, are you gonna stay on the call?
Uh, I mean, I'm down because I'm not going to be trading. So if Big Al wants to get back on, he can get back on. Do you have your phone? I got my
Yeah,
phone.
I'll text him. Let me grab my coffee real quick, but I'm down to just tape read. I don't want to start. Today's the fucking. I mean, dude, there's some NFP Thursdays that are just clean as fuck, but
Yeah, I've 5 hours of sleep, bro, and it was a little bit choppy at work last night. I'm down just to fucking sit here.
oh, whether you're all right. Let me get my coffee,
Alright.
and I gotta do my 25 push-ups. It's part of my morning routine.
Shut the fuck up.
Serious, dude. Every morning, wake up, chug a giant thing of water,
Yeah.
make a coffee, slap some cold water, and then 25 push-ups. And I promise you,
Is
I'll be
there
shitting
any
on
science behind that?
what?
The cold water in the face?
It's no. It's just a little discipline, dude. That's it. There's nothing
Gotcha.
more I'm not saying. It's not
I love
anything
it.
like it gets you up a little bit, but here, I'll be back. Alright. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, I made so much money
It's
on my Top Step account that I have to get like $800 over to pass it.
I'm doing the 150K, then I was like 1500 from blowing it. And that trade was like 3K on one contract. I mean, it was only a challenge. Did you take a mini on that thing?
What I trade yesterday? Nasdaq. I could see. Hold on. I took 3 minis.
3 minis.
Yeah.
On a real account or an eval?
Nah, eval.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like Jesus Christ, dude. You're doing the 150, right?
Yeah. Uh, Big Sean.
Oh, yo.
Dude, why'd you listen to a random boy from PA to tell you to fucking do this? It's kind of weird. Kayla thinks it's a scam, bro. What are you doing? I love how I love how she still thinks it's a scam when you fucking withdrew so much money already.
I don't think she thinks it's a scam. I think she doesn't like how religious ICT people are, which I get that.
Wait, did you teach her about like the community and everything?
No, I mean, she's heard me listen to the spaces and all the videos on. She's heard him a lot.
What do you mean religious? Like how like they like it's a cult kinda?
No, just how he talks, you know? No, dude,
Oh,
she doesn't have a problem with him in all seriousness.
oh.
Alright, that's the video.
Like when he talks about religion and stuff, or
No.
oh,
Hold on, let me write this out and I'll tell you.
what are you writing?
My pre-market thought.
15-minute fair value gap. It's a nice one. On ES. Where's Big Al at?
I don't know, man.
What a Jill.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Oh, I just texted you.
Let's go.
ES trade up to 15-minute Farabee. Trade all
I
the way
do like
back down
that
for the
that
relative equal
narrative
lows.
high.
And then trade all the way back up.
I like the narrative sweeping that high and then trading back to that busy hour you talked about.
Yep. So we're gonna trade up to this 15 minutes. So we went for buy side first, a little near term, 1 minute. Now we're going for 15-minute sell side. Then we're going for daily buy side. And then we're gonna fucking just come all the way back down. Just the sweep of all sweeps. G fucking G's. And that's also my tag it
Sweep
too.
of all sweep.
It'd be better if Nas didn't. I'd take the first fucking 5-second. 1 hour fair value gap longs. If it gets down there, I don't know if it's gonna have to get down there first. That might be a target after we sweep the highs. I was talking to old KP.
Oh, bro.
K Pizzle. Uh Yep.
Alright, can Nasdaq get some fucking explosive candles right here?
Be crazy, right?
ESYM swept London.
Shit, I would take a fucking right there on NASDAQ, 15-second body. See ya. Go. Bye, 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 bye.
Dude, if we leave first presented over this high though, that'd be nice little last leg / 2022 model.
Mm-hmm. Buy, order block, 15-second. Buy, 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 buy. Kind of like a propulsion. Oh, it's not good. Close, close. Close over the mean threshold. Oh, yeah. Great close. Buy. Definitely should go higher, right?
He did. Who the fuck knows this early?
Yeah, I agree with that. Should go higher.
I
That'd be
think it
crazy.
shouldn't go higher.
I like it because engineered retail support level. People had moved their stop losses up. That'd be a good level.
Mm-hmm. Nasdaq was like the early.
S&P now.
Yeah, Nasdaq was like the early leader to the upside, and now it's. Oh, I guess it's still. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Still the stronger one. On the 1 minute. There it goes. Breaker, 15-second, take it.
Wow. Yes, man.
She's a barn burner. Oh, I got terrible slippage right there on the sim. I wanted to buy on that immediate rebalance on the 15-second. There she goes.
There's your chance.
Yep, I got her. Let's see. Let's see how this pans out, buddy.
Long 5 contracts.
Oh yeah, I'm long 4 minis. I think 4 micros. 4 mics. 4 mics. Yes was the one to take right there. First presented, yes. How you doing?
Alright, let's see if that was accumulation right there. What you got? Show me some bullish order flow.
Order block. I'll buy that again. Dips down, takes out the sell side. It's all right. Take down a little sell ski. A little buy limit again down below there. And the breakaway gap, don't fill it in all the way, which is fine. 1 minute rejection. If we hit it, we're probably going to keep extending a little bit lower. I'm in a little sell ski now. I flipped the order. Buy stop. Literally just reverse the position. So I'm like, if it's going to go here, it's probably going to just liquidate that fucking low. 19,900. Even though she down, yes, me. Oh, we're gonna leave her. It's gonna be a little high resistance liquidity around A. There she goes. We'll retap back into her. Nice.
Buying that. There's that internal SMT after a session one. That double.
Sir, let's ride.
SMT on the lows, Big Sean.
A double one though. We got that first one and then NASDAQ ends up doing it after.
Whoa.
Now that's a nice reaction if you bearish. D cup with YM.
First presented. How you doing?
Be sick if we got another two-stager here.
Yeah, we'll go for the sell side first and then buy the fuck out of it. But with that, I have buy stops layered through all this shit. Buy stop there. I want to put a buy stop there. Put me in for a little 10 boy.
We could reverse him right here. Lot of hourly liquidity.
Oh! Is that a Nawag? Oh, it is.
Why Nuogs don't show up sometimes on my 1 minute chart?
Yeah, you do.
Oh wait,
You
we
know-
talked about this before.
Yeah,
There's
you
a
know,
reason.
Big Sean. You know
Oh, yeah,
why.
yeah.
Reason. Is it cause like you're that many candles out?
No, it's because you got to put the stop loss on first before you're.
Shut the fuck
Yeah,
up.
Entry.
because the first click is a stop loss.
This fucking guy.
Big Sean, you like the 4 hour?
Oh my god, 4 hours. I literally just looked at the 4 hour. That's hilarious. I'm like, oh, that kind of looks nice. A little IO fed.
You guys aren't 4-hour people, huh?
Ah,
It's
I mean,
there. It's just the chart I use the least.
true. I mean, I can get most of my picture from the 1 hour. Nice little buy
Alright,
stop.
gives you
Worked.
this- Yo, dude, we cut through this first presented. It's over, kid.
Yeah, I'm already in a little buy ski.
I'll fucking scale back in. I'll scale in even
That's
further.
actually incredible. Leave that low on ES.
Oh yeah, dude.
Which low?
935. SMT on the 1 minute low.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, Alex, ICT copied your model, bro.
I know, dude. I'm gonna have to.
Did you watch that? That is your little fractal though, right?
I didn't watch it yet, but I'm gonna have to issue copyright and get his channel taken down.
I would.
It's my intellectual property, bro. It's crazy.
True.
Alright, 15 minis in. Dude, who the fuck wants to see their position in ticks, dude? Explain that to me.
Yeah, dumb. Bro, I had to stay till like 1 o'clock last night cleaning the unload because they were just so anal about it because they got fucked on Sunrise because they made them stay a lot
me that
longer. So
tab.
they're just gonna
Give me
fuck
that
us on
tab.
Twilight, and I've been doing the same thing every day. Every day. And then they decide, hey, now you gotta clean all this shit up. I'm like, bro, like what's all this shit? I don't even understand. So stupid. Yeah, I'm in 20 contracts long right now. Let's fucking ride.
I'm 15, dude.
Yeah, we're so sick, dude.
Yeah. Reasonable risk, you know? Fuck it. If I saw $1,500, bro, in my actual just
Yeah,
live
mine,
account,
I'm
I'm
doing-
closing.
I'm trading demo as if it's. I'm actually doing it right, guys. I have $100 risk on my demo account because I'm practicing how I play.
Damn. Yeah, mine's just double, you know? Or mine's like 10x. So like I'd really be up like
Yeah, I was gonna say, dude, double is not.
not double, no. Just 10x right now. Doesn't even come back to first P. I'll get it off the breaky. What's up, breaky?
I think it's gonna come back to first P, dog. One more.
Oh, that'd be crazy. Depending on how fast it is. If it doesn't, oh, that's a big sign. That thing's gonna just fly.
Right here, boys.
This is actually glonky as fuck, dude.
ICT said 938, 1 minute inversion fair value gap. What pussy?
Thanks,
shit.
asshole. We already
No,
fucking
no
know, dude.
shit.
Message him back, dude. I'm fucking coming for you, dog.
They're the same setup as yesterday, other than it's just happened at 9:30. Like the entire 9:30. Like on the 15-second, it's the same move as yesterday.
Dude, literally, it just consolidates for like a couple candles below a low. Just fucking.
Come back down to the breaky. It hits the breaker high. A little shit bag on the 15-second. Wicks down to the old high ski. Thing's gonna fucking run, bro.
Yeah, I agree.
I'll have a buy order right below that fucking wick, see if it wants it. I don't think it will. But fuck it.
Let's go. I'm up 13 grand, boys.
Dude, that's crazy.
Realistically, dude, you'd probably need like what? A couple 100K account to be risking this much.
I feel like Big Sean
Nah,
get it
dude,
from the
whatever
fucking
your
low.
stop loss is, dude, that's the amount you need.
You feel like what, Ty?
Said I feel like Big Sean buying it from the low. Fucking easy pickings.
Where would your model be? Ty, right above this, the New York AM high?
I would take a trade from this 1 minute fair value gap coming up here on the breaker. This is like actually like a picture perfect model. I mean, other than it doesn't have a higher time frame, and we're trading up into a new week open gap, but still higher time frame draw. Yeah, I would take it from what's that low? Fucking that right there. 946 fair value gap. Miss it. Oh wait, did it get me in? Oh my god, it did get me in.
I took it
on the
anyways, dude.
micros.
Guess what? If we take that again, I'll buy it again.
True, I got a buy limit at the consequent encroachment, the high, the low of that whole fair value gap.
Your boy's long 25 fucking Connies. Connies.
I'm long fucking 40 minis. Just kidding, 40 micros.
Take one off at this weekly lick that we didn't take in regular trading hours.
That's the long right there. That's old T Fred long. That's a beautiful fucking setup. Higher time frame direction, swept the lows, SMT, breaker, relative equal highs, fair value gap. I'm just getting hard looking at it.
Dude, if we get these markets for a couple weeks in a row, man, we could really do some fucking damage.
Yeah, Patrick was talking to me last night. He goes, dude, I saw that dude. Patrick, the dude I work with in the chat, he goes, bro, I saw that dude on Apex who withdrew 2.5 million. He goes, bro, I'm gonna do that too. Dead ass serious.
Hey.
Dude, you gotta think fucking big.
I love it. He told me the whole strategy that he was gonna do. I was like, sure, bro.
I'm gonna do it too. Oh wait. Just kidding. Sorry, that was unnecessary and rude.
Yeah, it was kind of crazy.
But I'm rooting for you, Pat.
Oh, I'm in again at the low. Is that at the low? I don't know how he got in.
I feel like I've
guess I
never
got
met
put
a
at the low.
Patrick who doesn't do it the right way, you know?
What?
Saying never met a Patrick who doesn't do things the right way.
Oh, there she goes. Oh, I
Dude,
missed
this
my
is beautiful, bro.
I missed my exit. Fuck.
It's fucking beautiful, dude.
I have 50 fucking contracts, so I'm just gonna get out with one contract at the top here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna scale at one at a time on my 30.
Yep. You know the vibe. You know the vibe.
I am the vibe, dog.
I created the vibe.
Touch regular trading hour. Let's go.
Damn, would have been
Do
stopped
you
at a
have
break even.
do you have opening range gaps? How many do you have back dating back on your indicator?
5.
Or you just look at the regular trading hour chart?
No, I have 5, but I also have a regular trading hour chart open.
I feel like I never really look at it.
Regular trading hours.
I do sometimes, but I don't know, man. Even Jade Caps, like, they just keep it fucking simple. I just want that hour sweep. Fucking SMT left.
Even your
Fucking
mom.
changing this state through. Some fucking order flow to back it up, and that's it.
Even your mom said keep it simple.
Dude, I just want to shout Alex out for naming a model I created yesterday.
What?
I'm actually gonna name that model the conviction model because of you.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
Wow. Wow.
Uh-oh. 1 minute immediate rebalance.
Yeah, fuck it. We'll blast through it. First P, we'll hit it. Fucking rip. Just OTE. When's the last time you taken an OTE trade?
I mean,
Dude, I
guess
think I took one last week.
Shit.
top
First
fibs are
P.
dumb.
I thought the hips were dumb. I'll buy another one there just because.
Is buying in a discount fucking dumb?
Yeah, it's the worst actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy one too. I'm down 10K.
I'll just reverse my order and say fuck it.
Yeah, dude, I actually do think we're flipping here. Especially if it closes below that. Let me just
Dude, that's just
take-
perfect. It's a 5-minute unicorn right here. Yes. Nasdaq showing some problematic price action.
Oh yeah, stop at the low of the breakaway gap here. Let's fucking ride. Oh yeah. I'll buy another one mid-wick, 1 minute. Right here. Oh, yep, there's another buy.
just higher resistance liquidity.
Stop should be good. It's gonna go. This is ultimate LLD right here.
Dude, we got news in 4 minutes.
Oh yeah, it's gonna fucking shoot up. Oh my god, no way. This actually works out. Ultimate LLD. I'll actually put it at the low, the breakaway gap. Had it at the little high. Yeah. See ya, buddy.
Alright, I'm now short 70.
Oh,
I was long 50. I put $100 sell order on 100 Connie.
contras. Contracts, boys.
Little consoli we got going.
Oh yeah. What happened to my
But
regular
yeah,
trading
it is
hour?
better to demo trade like you would, cause these contract sizes are retarded.
Big Al.
Big Al guy. Al piece. God, what a great day not to trade.
Dude. Yeah, because this is that setup for bullishness was incredible.
Incredible.
And liquidity was already taken, SMT, everything's there, and now it's going lower.
Yeah, technically it took
Dude.
out some form of liquidity, you know? Just didn't hit the exact target.
Right. It did do a tiny little sweep.
It's also like very close to news too.
Yeah, mom's close to news. Got him.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Yep. Your mom. That might be my favorite saying of all time.
You know, your mom told me, Ty,
Your mom.
she trades fib extensions off a 4-hour time frame, dude. Sorry, buddy. Your two biggest fucking nightmares right there.
This fucking guy.
Why do you wear that thing when you're not sleeping?
I don't know. I just didn't take it off.
Wrong answer.
You're like my fucking girlfriend, bro.
Don't
She
ever
asked.
say that again.
She just asks these fucking questions and I don't say the right thing. She goes, wrong answer. I go, I'm not trying to answer the fucking right way, bro. I don't give a fuck.
You do though, kid.
Whoa, whoa. Pre 10 o'clock. They're just grabbing a hold of it. Hold.
go.
All
I'm
my
out.
charts froze. All my charts just
And I'm
froze.
out. And I'm out.
How can you even get into and out of a trade right now?
Well, I was short going into that. Yeah, what the fuck's going on?
Bro, the whole chart just froze. That was wild. Gotta figure out what the
What-
fuck's going on.
What's the news PMI?
Oh, we'll laser. We'll fucking soar up. Soaring and flying higher. 3 stabs lower on ES, technically 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, dude. 4 stab lower, perfect.
Has to be it.
No,
I'm pretty
dude,
sure.
that's
I'm
a-
pretty sure
that's
ICT
bearish.
talks about that, bro.
Mm.
Bearish as a mug.
There's a mug. ICT said the quote unquote hand. I
Yeah,
thought
where's that tweet? It disappeared. Did he delete it?
I don't know. I clicked on it. No, it's still there. Did he delete it? Come on, bro.
The hand.
Motherfucker, don't delete shit.
Thought he was done, dude. Listen, all I know is the man retired, he cried about it, and then he comes back and steals fucking Alex's model. So,
Yeah,
That's
dude,
kinda
some
fucked.
fucking, some mentor, bro. Oh, shit.
I'd like a little lower before we buy back up.
Buy back up.
Yeah, I just don't know when.
Oh boy. El Tigre. El Tigre. What do we like, boys?
I don't really know right now.
You know
I mean,
what
I
I
know
like?
what I like. I just don't know when it's gonna deliver.
Do you know what I like?
Me?
No, Alex, guess. I need Alex to guess. Is he even here? Where the hell is he? Where'd he go?
No, dude. Probably to the bathroom.
This fucking guy, bro. What a little fucking. I was gonna say Jew, but I guess I can't say that.
Why can't you say that, Ty? Why don't you explain?
No, it's all good.
Do you have a problem with sad people?
Sad people.
Or is it more
Actually,
specific?
yeah, it's definitely just a particular person, not said people in general.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fair. Not
Yep.
really, but
No, definitely fair play.
okay, Dan Bilzerian. I'm just kidding. You heard him, dude. He's off his fucking rocker.
That's funny. Yo, 5-minute ES looks fucking great.
I don't know about great.
High, low, high, low, high, low.
Yeah. I mean, it could be great.
I think it looks incredible, bro. You're just not looking at it right.
3 drives lower.
1,000 drives lower.
Massive trend line.
Phantom. I'll buy another 1,000 contracts. Fuck it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy a 10,010 contracts.
I'm just down like $3,600.
I'm up
but like, fuck it.
16K, dude.
16, damn. I'm down 3,600.
Damn, it
Shit
wouldn't let me buy
shot.
1,000, even though I'm fucking demo trading. Alright, 100 cons it is.
I'll do 10
Shot.
micros.
Keep.
I'm out. Nice. Out for 100. Let's ride. How much can you actually put on? Can you put on 1,000
I
contracts?
think it depends on your account size.
Oh my god, I could put on 1,000 fucking contracts. Each tick that moves is $12,000.
That's
That's
retarded, dude.
That's actually stupid. I'm so far in drawdown, it's so gross. I blew my fucking
You blew your
sim account.
sim account.
Wait, it's
Don't
going
let
the
that
opposite way now. Oh wait, no, it has parentheses. Okay, never mind. Parentheses means it's negative. I was like, wait, it's still going up.
Yeah, well, this market looks pretty fucking ass right now. This might just be another shit 10 AM or till 10:30 or 11.
Imagine putting 1,000 contracts on. Dude, I'm down a house right now.
How much?
350K, 400K.
I'm down a really nice car right now.
No, I'm fucked.
I'm down like a pair of shoes.
Nice
Uh,
shoes?
Like Jordan's probably, yeah.
Alright.
I'll put another 1,000. Fuck it. 1,000 countries. I'll buy that. Oh, I can't. Not enough excess margin. No, I'm fucked.
Margin called.
Yep, margin called.
Oh no, this demo's copy trading my live.
Holy shit, dude.
Down 70K.
Dude, I'm down $1 million right now. I'm down 600,000, bro.
You know the secret to making it back? Just risk more the next trade.
Bro, my boy, yo, at work, he goes, dude, I have a great strategy when I go to the casino. He goes,
Oh my
if
God.
I
He's one of those
lose,
Nightingale guys.
he goes, if I lose $100, my next bet's gonna be $200. Then I just keep doubling it until I make my money back. I said, Brock, you know I just did this calculation on ChatGPT on how likely it is on a 50-50 game to have 6 losing things in a row or a 5 losing streak in a row. You know what the odds are? He goes, I don't really know.
Hold on, can I guess what the odds are?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
what
yeah.
it was what I say?
5%?
No.
Let him
So
guess.
if I have a 60% win rate and I take 100 trades, what's the likelihood of me losing 5 trades in a row or losing 5 times in a row out of 100 trades? What's the likelihood?
I don't know. It's not as simple as the other example.
It's not.
Because you have a 60% win rate in certain environments.
Exactly.
The
Even
variable is different.
Well, that's what I'm saying. So like 60% overall win rate out of a million fucking trades. So like, like it's a 60% chance just lock because you need static fucking numbers or whatever. So that's what
What's
I looked
the
up on
percent?
ChatGPT. What's the percent chance that you have at least a 1 or a 5 trade losing streak?
I'd say
What's
at
the
least
percent chance?
10%.
At a 60% win rate, your likelihood of having a 5% is 57%.
Yeah, out of a million,
No,
57?
not a million trades, not a
Out
million.
of
I said
100?
out of 100. When you take 100 trades, the
Really?
likelihood of you getting a 5 trade losing streak at a 60% win rate is 57%.
Well,
So
I
you're
can tell you
more
I've lost
likely.
5 trades in a row, so.
That's what I'm saying. So you're more likely to have a 5% losing streak, or to have a 5 trade losing streak when your win rate 60% out of 100 trades than you're not.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Yeah, it sounds like
Crazy.
Brock's gonna do it anyways.
So I basically told Brock, so his is 50-50. His odds are 50-50. So I'm like, Brock, you know it's like very likely out of 100 times you do this that you're gonna lose more than 5 times in a row.
Yeah, but he's willing to go bankrupt for the point.
Like that's like it's just like, bro, like people just.
He's just betting 10K his last hand.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what? How high are you gonna go, bro?
It's a great question, man. How high will you go? How high will you go? That's crazy. 57%, huh? So how does that influence your risk? Ty, say you're trading a 100K account. What are you risking? And what do you adjust your risk as you lose through that 5 loss streak?
You want to hear this? You want to hear this one? I just typed in the chat GPT. How likely is it to lose 6 in a row in a 50-50 game in 100 attempts? How likely is it to occur in a 100 attempt thing? Guess how likely it is.
Well, the
6
fact you
losing
just
streak
told me-
now.
Just told me for 60. I'm gonna say it's still over 50%.
It is definitely well over 50% now.
72.
Yeah, you're close. 77.6%.
I said
chance.
77, dude.
Oh, damn, crazy.
That's crazy. A 78% chance.
Shit.
That also means you have a 78% chance to win 6 in a row.
Grok was like, "Oh, that was easy. Why don't you try asking something better? Like, what's the odds of losing 20 in a row?" And then he said, "Because that's 1 in 1 million chance per streak. 1 in 1 million, 48,576."
Dude, when I was in Vegas, I lost like 12 in a row.
What about 12? What about 12 in a row? We'll see the likelihood of that happening. %2 chance, not as unlikely as you think. 2.2% chance of losing 12 in a row. That's crazy. That's so nuts to even think about that there's that big of a chance.
2%'s not that big.
Oh, it's kind of massive when it's 12 in a row.
12 in a row. I don't know if I've lost 12 trades in a row, but I feel like I have. I haven't won 12 trades in a row before. Dude, I think the biggest like thing is if I lose a trade in a day and I take another trade, I feel like 80% of the time you're worse off doing that.
Didn't you have like calculations to prove that or what? You said
I did.
I thought you said the one time like if you took another trade after a loss, like, and I didn't take another trade, I'd be well better off. So I could basically
Yeah, that is a fucking April. Yeah.
Still long from the high.
Yeah, I hit my daily loss limit of 70 grand, so.
I'm down like a supercar right now. Well, I'm down like a used Rolls Royce. That's what I'm down right now. Like,
How much are you down?
Take a guess. The used Rolls Royce. I would say
Don't even
what
know.
year?
oh fucking now. 2020.
How many miles on it?
So
I would I would probably guess 135.
Oh, this is close. I saw one online for 112.
Mm. Dude, those cars depreciate like it's fucking.
That's
You
sick.
fucking you sit in that thing and lost half its value.
That's why I'm gonna get a Porsche.
Porsches are sick, dude.
Porsche maintains their value pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know if Alex is gonna be able to fit in a Porsche.
Dude, Alex is not that
I will,
fucking
dude.
tall.
I've sat in them.
Alex is the biggest.
He is the
I-
tallest.
Watch my detailing clients have them, and I just fucking love cleaning them.
Yeah, they are.
What's the
tiny.
sickest
They're
car
just
you-
sleek.
They're the nicest car that exists.
Damn.
Porsche.
What about Ferrari?
I like Porsche better. Ferrari's
I don't like-
incredible, though.
Do you really want to sit in a low car like that? Like as
No,
cool as a
absolutely not.
Ferrari.
100% going to have a Porsche.
Like what, a 911?
Yeah, 911 Targa.
Dude, I like the Panameras, man. I might be alone in that, but
I like the Cayennes.
Oh yeah, like or even the Macans,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah, the cons are nice as fuck. But yeah, dude, I'll have one just to fuck around with, dude. It's not gonna be my daily, but I'll absolutely have a 911 just to take girls out to dinner, you know?
100%.
Girls, plural.
Yeah. And it just ripped, dude. Drag race.
Oh yeah. Oh dude, wait. I'm down a new used it keeps flickering back and forth. I can't keep up with it.
I'm up like a phone case.
Oh, there we go.
I got a phone case.
A
back above.
phone case.
Oh my god,
Damn,
I'm
bro,
back
it
up
won't let me
above
buy
water.
anymore. Let me reset my account real quick.
I'm back up above water, boys. We're here. I'm up 12K.
Yeah, that's sick.
I used a used because I kept
Bro,
going back and forth.
How are they not gonna let me fucking buy more contracts? Like, it's a fucking demo account. What do you mean I don't have the margin?
Big Ty, you gonna get a Ferrari?
No.
Ty's like
I'll
a
just be
Cybertruck
happy with a
guy.
fucking truck, bro. You give me a nice full size lifted fucking I don't know. I don't even want that shit, bro. I just want to fucking my time back. I'm not even really that into cars.
I mean, dude, if I never got a Porsche and I could fucking have a roof over my head and healthy food from trading, dude, I fucking won.
Yeah, my girl, we had a heart to heart, and she goes like, I want to be like very well off and stuff. Like I want to like not have to worry about money ever. I go, yeah, that's the point. She goes, yeah, but like you don't really need a lot. She goes, yeah, but like you don't really need a lot to like live. Like you'd be good with just like a fucking hut to live in. I'm like, yeah, but like still, I still kind of want money. Like I'm just content
Yeah.
with. I'm content with
Guys
whatever.
versus girls, man. They love
like-
the little bougie shit.
I'm like, bro, I can live in a fucking hut, dude. I don't give a fuck.
100%, dude. As long as I got my monitors, like
That's
Yep.
right.
good
The
fucking
ability
people,
to
food.
just go on vacation with friends, dude. I need a roof, I need food, and go on trips
Maybe a pillow.
and a bed. But then once I
Yeah.
start crushing, then I'm gonna get a Porsche. I went to the Porsche dealership, and dude, I was just telling him like,
I'll be back.
one day I'll be back, and he was like showing me all around. He took me in there like they have like a basement that's like sealed off with all the brand new stuff that they have in. Gave me a sick tour of everything.
Get out of here.
It was
That's
epic.
sick.
Yeah,
Have you
dude.
seen the Patrick Bet David where he's like when he was young, like it's basically the test to go to like those dealerships and see if they believe you. Like it's
Yeah,
like
dude.
is
This
your
dude was like,
presence
he literally was like, "Yo, you want to see something sick?" And I was like, "Yeah." And we go downstairs, and there's this Porsche. Forget what he's even called. I've never even seen it before. I was like, "What even is this?" And he's like, "Yeah, in order to get one of these, you have to buy like at least 75 Porsches from us, and like
Jesus.
Wow.
then you have the opportunity to buy this other one." There's just one downstairs. Yeah, it was sick. And then I was
That's
like, "Yo, give me your
actually
card
sick.
because I'm going to come back and use you to buy me another Porsche."
That's
Dude, that's
insane.
probably a great place to get fucking clients for your business, Alex.
Car
Dealerships,
shows. Dude, car shows are
car
great.
shows, dealerships.
There's like cars and coffees on like different days of the week and stuff all throughout
Dude, yeah, you set
year.
up a little stand there, bro. Hand out free air fresheners and shit.
And just offer like discounts in the beginning and just get my name out. Cause
Yeah.
see that shit's people charge so much money for it for different kind of details. If I could literally just be like, "Yo, I'll do it fucking half price." Cause in the beginning and people just be like, "What the fuck?" Okay.
I'll do it half price and better.
And better. Yeah. Like I'm fired up.
You could really expand that down there, bro. Big time. Kind of
wanted
excited
Trying to
for you.
figure out how to scale it
small
without you being
elevators.
involved in every one.
What'd you
He'll
say?
figure it out.
I know you'll figure it out.
I didn't hear what you said.
I was just saying, and I've told you this before, like you just got to figure out how to scale it to where you don't need to be there for everyone.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I hired a part-time manager for this summer, and then
Hey.
if him and I do well together, because he's got way more detailing experience than me. And then I was like, dude, if we crush it this year and like good chemistry while we are doing everything, would love to just like open a shop with a partner too.
Hell yeah, bro.
Wow.
But I'd probably go to make the shop in Pennsylvania because down here there's a huge influx of people just for like 4 or 5 months. Pennsylvania's more consistent living.
You can have two. You can have a mobile shop. Why not?
Oh yeah, dude, mobile's insane. Like mobile's, I think mobile's better than a shop because you can just go anywhere. But
Yeah, you just need
stuff you can do
like
at a shop, you can shop. Like dude, there's people get their when you get nice cars, people get them. It's called PPF, it means paint protective film, and it's like a clear wrap on the whole car. It's pretty much like a screen cover on the whole car. It's like a couple millimeters thick,
yeah.
and theirs are like 10 to 15 grand per car.
Wow.
And the machine for that, it'll cut like you can get a machine that'll literally just they have every single like 3D CAD file for cars online. You just plug it into the machine and it cuts out every single panel for the car, and then you just apply it to the car. And the machine is like 10 grand. The cutter, you do one car, it already paid it off.
Yeah, it's incredible.
That's what I want to start doing come the fall.
Here she go.
There she goes.
Damn, bro,
Yeah,
ES
I'm
really out here leading.
feeling at like break even on the day now, dude. Let's go.
See what Pete Hegseth said last night?
What?
You know who Pete Hegseth is?
No.
Our Secretary of Defense. Oh yeah.
What'd he say, dude?
You know the Houthis that
Yes.
Trump keeps firing at and stuff, and Iran's supplying them with missiles and shit. Trump threatened them a while ago and said, "Hey, stop supplying them, or we will use lethal force on Iran, like on you guys." And Pete Hegseth, what did he say? Where is Pete at? Hold on. He said basically like it's on. Like we're basically like fucking gonna destroy Iran. Like hold on.
Piece of shit.
Dude, some of those people are hungry for war, man.
They all are. They make so much money off of it.
Message to Iran right here, 13 hours ago. We see your lethal support of the Houthis. We know exactly what you're doing. You know very well what the U.S. military is capable of, and you were warned. You will pay the consequences in capital letters at the time and place of our choosing. Fucking wild, bro.
It's crazy that war is just like on Twitter now.
The Houthis,
Boy,
baby.
great decision to stay out today, boys.
Oh, yeah. I might long ES as you say that. Just kidding. It's
It
like,
might
oh,
work, but
it's like you say, hey, great decision to stay out, and I enter a trade. It's like, oh, fuck. GG's. Why you gotta do me
signature's a
like
little
that?
nice right now. A little stair step higher.
Sure. Sure.
Let's go, boys. I'm 20K away from being break even.
It's all right. I just bought 1,000 contracts on NASDAQ right there.
What
Sell
are you
1,000.
making, like $1 million accounts?
Huh. Oh, shit, I'm in drawdown.
Definitely bought the laggard.
I'm at break even, boys. And I'm
I don't
fucking
need
holding
that.
until your mom comes home.
I'm
Your
trading
mom.
without a stop.
Hold until your mom comes home.
I listened to one of those Wisdom dudes, and he's like, yeah, dude, the second I started using stops is when I really started to
Yeah, I don't
grow my
listen to
account.
those guys. Those guys are fucking retarded.
I mean, hey, maybe in their fucking strat, like if you trade options and you have a 100K account and you're trading a 1K option, like you don't need to stop. You could just let it go to 0.
Yeah, I mean that's fine.
But yeah, a
It's
lot of them
basically
are,
like me putting $1,000 on a trade and letting it hit my stop loss.
it's exactly the same.
It's-
They say that shit, but they don't tell you how they're managing their risk.
yeah, that's just like the eye-catching thing. It's like, oh, no stop loss. What?
Dude, if you day trade and you day trade really anything and you don't use a stop, you're actually retarded.
God damn.
Damn, throwing around the R word. Crazy.
Dude, so what was Patty's plan for the Apexes?
Fuck, Patty. He said he was just gonna buy 2 300K accounts, max them out, and then just fucking roll with it and just win every time. I was like, hey, send it.
300K
That's my
accounts are
goal,
way
dude.
harder than the 50Ks though.
Just
Yeah, I
don't
told him,
lose.
but he don't care. I said it, But I said, yeah, just don't lose.
Yeah. I have the same strategy, dude. Just win.
Still floating 50K in profit. What are we thinking here? Just breaker on 15-minute? Breaker on the 5?
Could just fucking do nothing now. Yes, we're in the high of the day. Could be done. But I like it to go. I'm holding it till I either get stopped out of break even or Nasdaq takes out that daily high from that
Where-
monthly high.
Where are you in at?
Break even is at the 1019 low. Yes.
On first P.
No, 1019 low.
Yeah, at like the first presented fair value gap.
No, he's on ES though.
Oh, you
Yeah.
little fuck.
I said that.
1019. Oh, bet. On the low first P.
Just be a seek and destroy day.
Totally. Undoubtedly. Yeah, if we're gonna go higher, it's gonna go from this 5-minute unicorn on ES, but
Yeah, I mean, it looks ready to go on ES, but I don't trust though. There she goes. There she goes again.
We'll go higher.
Huh?
I said she'll go higher.
It should, but these conditions are shit.
Fuck the conditions.
You know what, dude? I'm flipping short because he said that. I'm just spite short this thing.
Opening range gap high and the week open gap
I mean,
low.
it should go. ES took that 5-minute low. Here comes Nazi. Watch Nazi become the leader right here. It's 10:30, dude. That's when shit actually happens. Big candles incoming, Ty. You ready for this? Give it 2 minutes. We're gonna spool above this high. And we're just gonna run for that weekly lick.
I mean, I'm in for 1 million contracts right now.
This is the last leg I would take if it wasn't today.
On NASDAQ.
And she's gone.
Talking about on NASD.
Yeah.
Wonder how many I can actually put on the trade. How many contracts? I'm at like 4,000 contracts right now.
You ready for this busy to be left, right? Fair value gap left, right over this?
Wonder how many will actually let me put on.
Time said you can go now, Nasdaq. Oh. Come on.
He said, "Oh,
Give me a good close here.
5 minute close was fucking perfect.
I'm up 2 mil right now.
Oh,
Ready for the speed to this weekly level right here?
I'm selling all of this profit as it's blasting up."
Take 10 off.
Imagine trading like this, bro. It's actually ridiculous.
Dude, 10:30, baby.
Oh,
10
fuck.
fucking 30.
blasting ass.
I'm up 3 mil right now, boys. GG's.
Let me get some of that.
I'm up 3.6.
Yeah. My new
Just
trading
gotta-
plan is just ask Ty for money when he wins.
You just gotta visualize it every day, honestly. So me seeing on my screen is just like, yeah, like that's a good little visualizer. You know what I mean? Double that shit.
Visualizer.
16. Buster Reno, dog. Oh, I'm so good. Damn, I'd be up 10 million right now. Wow, crazy clean move. How about it? Love to see
There's
it.
always SMT left, boys. There's always SMT left.
What do you mean?
The
There's
5
not-
minute. Yeah, no, ESIO fed it. Nasdaq didn't.
Can't say always.
Okay, a lot of the times.
Well said. Well said.
Yeah, what time's your meeting?
She's
You know
saying
which one
not
I'm talking about.
not soon enough.
4:45. It's just 15 minutes. What do you mean why? Yeah, but you're a champion. Ty, Kayla won her softball league. They won the chip last night. And apparently she made some hell of a couple outfield plays and she
go.
slapped. She was slapping. You didn't slap? Did you hit any out?
Did you hit any bombs, Kay?
Ty could hit it out, no?
I muted you.
Why'd you mute me?
Ty, you're muted.
Oh, am I not? Was I what? Dude, I hate it because I keep thinking that I'm talking into this for you guys as well. So I muted my mic, but
I'll get 'em all
obviously,
set up.
obviously it wasn't that.
I got you, dude. I'll mute you whenever you need it.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Yo, Big Sean, she was in the rec softball league.
Yeah, they won the
You didn't
title
go to
last
the
night.
championship, dude? That's insane.
Dude, she didn't fucking invite me, man. I went to one of the games with our dog and she's like, get the fuck out of here.
Wow.
I'm just kidding.
Damn.
Yeah, that is kind of an asshole move looking back.
Yeah, dude. Championship. Just not a good look.
Yeah, I gotta go support.
No, not a good look at all.
Ask her if they all slap each other's butts.
No, but they
Dude,
do make
I'm
a left
definitely
change.
an ass slapper, bro.
If
Nice
you ever slap my
delivery
ass, I'll
here.
kill you.
You know the biggest homophobes are the ones that are actually gay, right?
Yeah, that's what I heard, dude. I have heard that.
Oh, there she
Yo.
is.
Let's
10
go.
million. 10 million in the bag, baby. Wow, what a clean day.
Dude, I wonder what percent of moves in AM session happen around 10:30.
ICT, of course, he's sending out a tweet right now.
Of his demo trade.
Must be luck.
You said 1 minute meter rebalance. to there. Yeah, no shit. Thanks, buddy.
Cheers, buddy.
Oh shit, I have my stop above 2044. No, I didn't get. Alright, I'm trailing my stop.
So, dude, I'm up 3R on the Scambo.
Yo, that's sick.
Crazy.
That is huge though.
I was down 3R, now I'm up 3R.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I'm up 115 grand, whatever. I'm just gonna close the position, dude. What do I have to prove?
Boy.
Dude, 20,000 delivered.
Yeah, delivered overnight.
Oh, you're an asshole. Well, it's not
Alright,
night
well.
for people in London, so what the fuck are you talking about?
That's it for Big Al. I'll see you guys.
That is
next time.
also it for T Fred. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah, it's also it for me.
So weekly low coming in tomorrow, coming in hot.
No, but we'll have a nice little TG NFP Friday. We'll see.
No, we're gonna tank for
Oh, yeah,
the
I'm
low
not gonna be on
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
I like that weekly wick though, as a potential next draw from March 24th. But anyways. Alright, Al, enjoy your weekend, brother. Ty? I don't even know what to say to you, bro.
Damn, it's crazy.
Just kidding. But alright, boys. I'll see you.
Peace.
Peace, dog. Big Al. Peace. Peace, boys. GG's.